This is Ep.1 I think, and I will show you how to nuke a tomato under a glass on a plate in a microwave. So, this might sound pretty weird, but I've already tried it with a grape, and when you cut it in half and put it on a plate and with a glass on top of it, it will burn, like fire coming out of it, which is pretty weird for me. So first, you will need a plate, tomato, glass, a knife, a cutting board, and most importantly, a microwave. First, you take the tomato. Find a normal one, please. I don't know if this works or not. So first, I'm gonna cut this. I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding my camera in the other. So I'll just do my best. That's better. This tomato is pretty ripe, so let's see. I'll only take one half for the moment. I'll see what happens with both halves later. Put the half on the plate. Put the glass on the thing. Now, wait a second while I install and put it into the microwave. Okay, got it. So now, it's in the microwave. See that? You can't really do that. But it's in there. It's on that plate. I don't really see it, but whatever. Yeah, you can almost see my face, but I'm holding my camera up, so you can't. So now I'm going to set it up for about, let's see, 900 watts for, let's say, 1 minute. Okay, let's try 1 minute. I've never tried this before again, so I'm discovering it. Glass is getting moist. Tomato's not changing. Glass looks really moist. Like really, really moist. Oh, hear that? Sound like popcorn popping. That's the same thing that happened with the grape. Oh, it's bubbling. It's not good. It's gonna go up in flames or not? I'll add another minute. See what happens. As you can hear, that noise is pretty loud. So I think I'm just gonna take it out right now and be on the safe side. Ooh, what's happening? What's happening? Looks like it stopped. Okay. The microwave is getting a little thing, so I guess that's it. Let's see what happened. So, and that is the result, which is not very pretty, in fact. It's very ugly. Ugh. I don't really want to touch that, so I'll take a cloth. Sorry guys, I'm not very good with camera. This is my first video ever. Okay, so, you will see the results in a second. The amount of time it takes to get this out. So, and here you go, which it looks like something that's radioactive. And it's still smoking, which means it's not very good for eating. So this proves that when you put a half a tomato on a plate in a glass, you will almost never get flames. Probably. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe I did something wrong. You can't see me, bitch.